Steve Jackson Social Media Network. It's about 10:10. It's snowing here in Hampton, Virginia. Just wanted to give you a quick street level view, what's going on, what the people are doing. It's sticking. It seems like it's kind of like a moist snow. This stuff's gonna black ice over slush. It's kind of funny. It's kind of like it's not dry. It's kind of like it's moist a little bit. It's almost like it's drizzling and snowing at the same time. Look at this guy, he all up on the sidewalk. See that right there? See, that's why you need to wear your seatbelt, okay? They can't drive. And it's just started snowing, okay? So be careful out here. As you can see, there are people already having difficulties driving. Be careful, wear your seatbelt, check on family and friends, homeless people if you know any. We'll be back later on. This is gonna get worse probably. But again, it's kind of like it's drizzling and snowing at the same time. It just feels kind of wet. All right, again, be safe. Stay warm, drip your faucets. If you come out tonight, you know the deal. Phone charger, scarf, gloves, hat, water, extra blanket in the car, jumper cables. Check your gas. If not, pull into a gas station, preferably a Wawa, because we're connected on Twitter, okay? I'm just saying. All right. Again, be safe. Steve Jackson Social Media Network. We'll be back, give you a little bit more video later on. As you can see, a special shout out to the South Carolina Highway Patrol, Trooper Bob, and the rest of the state Highway Patrol down there for sharing their Periscope video with us all day. We appreciated that first look coming through South Carolina, so thank you. We appreciate that. And we'll be back with more. Steve Jackson Social Media Network, live, Hampton, Virginia, about 10:15. It's here. It's arrived. It's snowing.